This amazing Brentwood 2 with media floor plan from Gallery Custom Homes in the Parker Ranch community in Parker, Texas, is a 5-bedroom, 3 1/2 baths, 2-car garage floor plan that offers 4,245 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and a covered front porch with wood beam accent that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom double-door entry to the foyer of this Brentwood 2 floor plan, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with tray ceiling, crown molding, and large windows looking out the front yard. Pass into the dream kitchen with granite countertops, center island, ample cabinet space with unique in-lighting, and stainless steel appliances, including a built-in double oven and microwave, and a 5-burner gas cooktop and spacious butler's pantry. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral staircase with Juliet balcony, marvelous high ceilings, large windows, and a beautiful custom stone fireplace with custom mantel. Tucked behind the staircase is the private study with custom shelving, crown molding, and sitting area, perfect for a home office. And around the corner is the full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The private master suite features tray ceiling with crown molding and a quiet reading corner bathed in natural light. Escape to the luxurious master bath with spa-quality features, including split vanities, an oversized walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosure, a relaxing garden tub, and large master closet. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with plenty of space for the kids to do their own thing, and flows into the media room with a wet bar, vaulted ceiling with unique lighting and surround sound wiring. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with ceiling fans and spacious closet space, and 2 full baths complete the second floor. The Brentwood 2 floor plan also includes an extended covered patio featuring a custom stone fireplace and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Brentwood 2 with media floor plan is now available in the community of Parker Ranch in Parker, Texas. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood 2 with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.